Hi everyone, happy August. So we're already 8 months into 2022. Um, Today I am going to show you what are the updates that Power Automate desktop developers have made for Microsoft. Um, so they are altogether about three changes that they have made. Hello everyone, my name is Hao Zong. I'm here to help you to use office work tools such as Excel and Power Automate. If you think my videos are helpful, please help me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you. So the first function they have introduced is resize rows and columns in Excel. So let me show you how it works. So there's a function now, resize column rows in Excel worksheet. All right. As usual, you need to select your instance. Then you can resize your row or column. And then your range, you can choose single, range, or all available. So single will be just a row number. Range will be you have to specify the start row or end row. But if you choose a column, it will be a start column and end column. Then you can also choose auto fit or custom size for resize tab. Right, so auto fit, it will fit to your text length, and a custom size, then you can specify uh, the the size of the width. Right, the second function that they have introduced is crop text. So basically it's a left, right, uh, and mid functions equivalent to Excel. So let me show you how it works. So I have a crop text function here. So my original text can be any text, or can a variable. You can choose a variable. So let's say my original text is MacGyver. Right. So you can choose your mode. So you can get text before a specified flag. A flag will be just a letter or a number or a phrase. So you can get text before the specified flag, get text after the specified flag, or get text between the two specified flags. Right. So let's say if I want to get any text before Y, right, I will put a Y here as an end flag. Right. So let me just delete this one off or disable it. So now I'm going to run it. So you can see the crop text is MACG. So it's anything before Y. Right. So if I go get text after the specified flag, it will be anything after Y. So it will be VER. So anything, if I want to choose to get text between the two specified flags, if let's say I want to get a Y, I will put a G here and put a V here. All right, then I run it. Sorry, it's saving flow. Click on save flow just now. You run it. Right, I get a Y. The only limitation for this crop text is you can't specify how many letters you want. Like in Excel function, you can say you need the first two letters, or or last three letters and all that. This is just for cropping. So that's that. Then the third change that they made is they have introduced a SharePoint connector. So this is quite huge. This is the first cloud connector for Power Automate Desktop, but unfortunately you need to be a subscriber. So you can use Power Automate Desktop to call SharePoint and update file, delete file, get file content using path, create file, this folder, get file metadata using path, get folder metadata using path. So these functions were only available in the Power Automate Cloud, but now they have made this available in Power Automate Desktop. You can get more information in this link below. Right, I will put this link in the description. If you have any questions, let me know. Please remember to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you.